Hey guys, Ben here with Magnuson Performance, and we are back at Maximus 3 here in Detroit, Michigan. We're about to do a complete lighting up fit from Tyri Lights. Cole is here to do the install just in time for SnowFest 2023. No steep hills, no mud. Yeah. We full sent it. We should set this one up for jumping. Yo, I want to give a special shout out to the guys here at Maximus 3 for letting us use their facility. The last time we were here, we did this awesome roof rack install and the cargo deck system, which we've used tremendously. And I want to give a special thanks to Cole for driving all the way out here from Stevens Point, Wisconsin, and all the guys at Tyri Lighting for supplying the lights for this upfit. Let's go get these Tyri lights installed. All right guys, we are inside now, all prepped up, ready to go. We are ready to do this light upgrade to Tyri Lights. Tyri Lights are something I actually use in the military overseas. They make an incredible product, so I'm super excited to be rocking it on my Jeep. And I want to introduce Cole to you from Tyri.
How's it going, guys? Cole from Tyri Lights. Here to do a little upgrade on Ben's badass machine here. Got some good product we're gonna slap on. Got a bunch of stuff here we got going on. This is our new light bar. It's our V12 tripled up to a V36. We're gonna replace the one Ben's got on there with something a little bit more brighter, something a little bit more heavy duty, military grade. As well, we got a bunch of lights going on here. You know, Ben's got the big boys up front, so we're gonna be replacing those with the Tyri product. Also got the vibration dampening. These things are bulletproof. Ben's gonna be able to go through mud puddles, even brick walls, and probably still have his lights. As well, we might add some little bling here and there. We're just gonna see what happens. I brought a bunch of product and we're just gonna go for it, so.
I'm super excited to get this light install going, so let's go ahead and dive on in. All right guys, we're all finished with the install here on the front. I think it looks incredible. I'm gonna have Cole explain a little bit about what he's done here in the front.
So guys, we ended up using the Maximus SLP hoop here, Maximus 3. They're allowing us to use their facility, so we're gonna put a little bit more product on here. Also, we paired that with our two 1313s. Now these things are probably some of the baddest lights out there on the market. Got 8,500 effective lumen output. That's the highest in its class out there. If you can get anybody to tell you what they're actually putting out, it's not gonna be anywhere close to these. Also, like I pointed out before, we got all the vibration dampening underneath. Ben will be able to jump this thing. He'll be able to go through walls, be able to go through rocks, and these things will stay on perfectly. Like we were talking before, he'll be able to run into a deer, and before he even gets to his grill, he's got two impenetrable walls to go through. So we're pretty jacked about this setup here.
I'm loving it. Let's keep going. All right guys, we just finished up the install here with Cole. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you threw on here?
Well, we threw the house on this thing is what we did. We got two 1313s up front as well as 6 up top. I gotta crunch the numbers on the math, but we're pushing the lumens. As well, we got the Maximus exclusive fog kit that fit our D8s in there. That's a sweet, sweet little thing that Joe worked up for us. I think it's gonna be clutch out there. As well, we got the 06s out here, so Ben can have a little bit of fog light so he doesn't blind people too. A little bit of daily running lights. Underneath, we have a couple diffused 06s for rock lights. That's gonna give him a nice spread of light without blinding him if he's ever underneath looking at rocks or trying to fix something. Up here on the side, we get the Maximus mounts, and this is our 1010. This is our flagship light, 4,500 lumens, effective lumens. That's coming out of the housing. These things are bad to the bone. They're gonna give Ben all the light he needs on side so he can see all the puddles and all the jumps he wants. Back here, we got some chase lights. These are an amber version of our 0606. That's gonna allow Ben to be ripping down the trails, dusty, and people still see him from back. It gives off a nice orange amber light, pierces through the dust so people can see him, as well as, you know, he can warn people if he's ever broke down or something like that on the trail. What else we got? Oh, I can't forget about the baby up here. This is Tyri's brand new V36 light bar. We took our V12 light bar and we made it linkable. Ben's the first one to put it on his hood here, so we're gonna see how it rips. But these are our own light engine technologies. These things throw light in a pattern that a regular LED board cannot do. These things put out massive power as well. They're running about 4,500 effective lumens as well each, but they give you a nice wide beam pattern. So it's good for fog, good for lighting up certain areas. So Ben's got that tactile option up there. You know, we got about, I would say 90,000 lumens on this thing. Like I said, I got the crunch numbers. We'll put in the thumbnail how many lumens, but we got, I think, the baddest light setup on planet Earth. And if you want to come test it out, we'll be at King of the Hammers. So come on out there, throw some light.
All right, guys, huge thanks to Maximus 3 for letting us use their facility here, and a huge shout out to Cole at Tyri coming down here, spending almost 2 days now doing all the wiring and setup. Just going out to Hollyoaks ORV Park and put these lights to the test.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another cool video. You can click up here to check out our latest video, or click over here for our link tree. It's got our website and all our other social media, so you can follow us there. And you gotta click over here to subscribe so you can see all the cool shit we're up to.